All right, YouTube, this video we have a Mack truck lock. When I say Mack truck, I think like dump trucks or semi-trucks. Now these are actually single-sided locks. This is the key to this one. And this is a door lock, by the way. So single-sided locks, so the key's only going to go in one way. And we're actually going to pick and decode this with the YA4R/Y13 Lishi tool. Now with this tool, it will pick Y13 locks to like office locks. I haven't had one decode even close to correct yet, but the to the trucks and the office locks, the spacing and stuff is probably a little bit different. So probably why it doesn't decode correctly on the office locks, but it does work on these, and I'll show you here. So actually, we'll save you some filing if you have to ever make a key in one of these. I mean, these are easy to pick just with lock picks to unlock them, but making a key, you've got to impression them. Well, you don't have to. I guess there's probably other ways, but that's normally how I would do it over the years until this tool came out. So let me go ahead and get zoomed in, you guys can see. So as you notice here, 5 spaces and 5 depths. And I'm going to put tension on the lock like any other Lishi, and I'm going to go and just look for binders. Alright guys, make sure I get as close as I can here while still having focus. So we'll try that here. So, alright, so we're going to look for binders. So nothing on 1. Click on 2. Okay, 3 springy, 4 springy, 5 springy. Okay, 1's binding again. So another click on 1, 2. Click on 4, 5 is springy, another click on 1, and the lock is actually open. Now if you notice here, we never picked 3 or 5, which means those are going to be 5 cuts. If they weren't 5 cuts, we would have had to pick them, but the tool sets them when you enter the lock with the tool. So we'll go ahead and we'll zoom in a little bit more, and we'll go ahead and decode this. Alright, so we're going to have a 1, 3, 5, which is why we didn't have to pick it. 1 and 5. So 1, 3, 5, 1, 5 is the bidding that we got. Now if you were to run that through a code fill program, you'll actually get a code of M200. And when I say code fill, I mean just say an insta code here, because lock codes does not have Mack trucks listed. If you look at the key that this actually came with, it has M200 listed on it. And if you do enter those codes into a code fill, then you'll come back with that valid code, so you know that you decoded it correctly and your key is going to work. So pretty much all I have on this Lishi. If you guys have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comments, and we'll talk to everybody later.